National or international appointment. 1. Smriti Irani takes additional charge of ministry. Today, Textiles Minister Smriti Irani has taken additional charge of Ministry of Information and Broadcasting at Shastri Bhavan, New Delhi. The GOT also announced that Union Minister for Rural Development Narendra Singh Tomar will serve as the new Urban Development Minister. Earlier, both the ministries were held by the Vice Presidential candidate M. Venkaiah Naidu, who resigned from cabinet earlier in the day. Though Lily Singh appointed UNICEF's Global Goodwill Ambassador. The United Nations Children's Fund (UNICEF) has appointed Indian-origin Canadian YouTube star Lily Singh as Global Goodwill Ambassador. Now, Singh will use her channel to showcase the organization's work and urge millions of her followers to work for children's rights. In 2017, she ranked first on Forbes' top influencers list in the entertainment category. Note: a Goodwill Ambassador is a person who advocates for a specific cause on the basis of their notability. Banking or finance. Theme: SBI launches SBI Realty to assist home buyers. State Bank of India (SBI) has launched a one-stop integrated website SBI Realty www.sbirealty.in for home buyers. Customer will choose their dream home from 3,000 SBI-approved projects spread across 13 states and union territories covering 30 cities including metros, semi-metro, and towns. This new website will help customers in identifying their dream house in reliable projects with higher credibility and goodwill in the market. Note: the website is developed by SBI CAP Securities in association with Perpetuity in terms of data support, project information. Important dates. 4. Nelson Mandela International Day observed globally. Nelson Mandela International Day, celebrated every year on the 18th of July in honor of Mandela's birthday. Nelson Mandela was the first elected president of a free South Africa. The day is observed annually with the slogan, "Take Action, Inspire Change." Note: in November 2009, the UN General Assembly declared the 18th of July as Nelson Mandela International Day in recognition of the former South African president's contribution to the culture of peace and freedom. Arts or culture. 5. J.K. Gauth launches weekly festival at Dal Lake. Jammu and Kashmir (JK) Gauth has organized first ever weekly cultural program, Culture of Cruise, at Dal Lake to bring artists from various fields on one stage. In the festival, the organizers would hold regular interactions with cross-sections of the society and tourists who visit the lake to ensure broader discourse on cultural moorings of the state. Note: Dal is a lake in Srinagar. Dal Lake is a misnomer as Dal in Kashmiri means lake, the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir. The urban lake, which is the second largest in the state, is integral to tourism and recreation in Kashmir and is named The Jewel in the Crown of Kashmir or Srinagar's Jewel. National Affairs. Union Gauth launches low-cost indigenously developed hearing screening device for newborns. The Science or Technology Ministry has launched a low-cost indigenously developed hearing screening device, SOHAM, for newborns. The SOHAM uses brainstem auditory evoked response technology which is recommended as best screening choice. The portable SOHAM measures auditory brain waves via 3 electrodes placed on the baby's head. Note: SOHAM has been developed by School of International Biodesign (SIB), a startup M.S. SOHAM Innovation Labs India Pvt. Ltd. Globally around 8,000,000 hearing impaired babies are born annually, of which nearly 1,000,000 are born in India. Science or defense. 7. Tata Motors develops country's first biomethane bus. Tata Motors rolled out the country's first bio-CNG biomethane bus at a bioenergy program, Urja Utsav. The use of bio-CNG will contribute in a positive manner to the smart cities proposition of keeping them clean. The biomethane engines could be used in LCV, ICV and MCV buses. Note: Tata Motors has pioneered the introduction of natural gas vehicles (CNG) in the country. 8. Tri-Nation Malabar Naval Exercise concludes. The US, Japanese and Indian navies concluded the 8 days Malabar naval exercise aimed at achieving deeper military ties between the three nations near Chennai in the Bay of Bengal. The naval exercise featured 95 aircraft, 16 ships, and 2 submarines. The aim of the exercise is to increase interoperability amongst the three navies and develop the common understanding of procedures for maritime security operations. Note: the Malabar Exercise 2017 was the 21st edition of the exercise and conducted from 10th to 17th July 2017. In 1992, Malabar Exercise began as an Indo-US bilateral naval drill and Japan had formally joined the exercise as a permanent participant in 2015. Sports. No. Neil Joshi or Ananya Dubke win Dutch Open. Neil Joshi, boy, and Ananya Dubke, girl, bagged the under-15, boys or girls, titles in the Dutch Open Junior Squash Championship in Amsterdam, Netherlands. In the boy final, Joshi beat 5/8 seed Khalil Alhassan, England, 9-11, 11-4, 11-5, 11-6. In the girl final, Ananya Dubke beat 9/12 Serena Daniel, US, 11-7, 11-4, 12-10. Thus, Lewis Hamilton wins Formula One British Grand Prix. Lewis Hamilton, Mercedes driver, won the Formula One British Grand Prix to reduce Sebastian Vettel's Ferrari driver lead in the championship to just a single point. The British Grand Prix is currently held at the Silverstone circuit near the village of Silverstone in Northamptonshire in England. Note: Lewis Carl Davidson Hamilton is a British Formula One racing driver who races for the Mercedes-AMG Petronas team. Thought of the day: always stand on principle, even if you stand alone.